Hey lovelies, let's make some perfect commercial cookies recipe that you can add to your other snacks or pastries business or your drink business in this cool season. Let's make some money ASAP. If you're new to my channel, my name is Susan and this is the fun version of my recipe channel where I share no fail commercial recipes on cakes, small chops, drinks and lots more. I also share millinery tutorials behind the scene of my baking and confectionery business and also how to earn money on the side while you're waiting for that order. So this is that channel you want to stay subscribed to. So without wasting much time, let's go into today's business on how to make perfect commercial cookies with simple ingredients that I trust you already have in your kitchen or bakery or close to you. I'll be making use of flour, your regular all-purpose flour, then a good brand of margarine. You can use softened unsalted butter. Then I'll be making use of corn flour. Then I'm making use of some large eggs, and then I'm making use of icing sugar. Yes, not your normal sugar, icing sugar. You can get this at baking store. Then a good odorless vegetable oil, then some baking powder and extra cocoa powder because I'm making two versions, guys. Then I'm using butterscotch, this butterscotch flavor. I love using it for cookies. You can use vanilla, so I'm using extra cocoa powder and extra flour. So this is the overview of all the items I'll be using. Please check description box beneath this video for a link to the written recipe and how to get the recipe. Check you. To all my OGs, thank you guys so much. You guys are the realest thing. So this is buttercream. I'm going to be using it for a cream to sandwich my cookies. Hey, another level, yes. And then I'll be using rolling pin. I'll also be using this cutter. You can use any cutter, but I'm just using this particular cutter based on the order I'm having. And I also use some alphabet cutter, this large alphabet cutter. This is not your regular small alphabet cutter. These are very large alphabet cutters. So guys, if you don't have it, don't worry, don't fidget. You can use the cover of a clean bottle. You can use the cover of any clean object you have. Yes, so the first thing I did was to go ahead to grease my baking tray. I don't want to stress you professionally, so let's do it the normal way. For professionals, you can place parchment paper or brown paper on your baking tray instead of greasing like this, but for my own people here, you can grease it with margarine like this, then you dust it with little flour, and then you shake off all the excess, and your baking tray is ready. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need any special tool. If you don't have baking tray, use your normal stainless kitchen tray. We must make money this school season. This school season we must make money. So add your flour into it. Make sure it coats all the places and you shake off the excess. Make sure you grease your pan well. If you don't grease your pan well, it means you are going to have issues when your cookies are baked. So these are ready. So let's go into mixing. So to my bowl, I'm adding in all my dry item. To my flour bowl, I'm adding my dry item, my icing sugar, my corn flour. This cookies recipe doesn't spread. It's perfect for cutouts. Cutout simply means cookies that you can cut with cookie cutter or cut into shapes. Yes, so I'll mix this together well to combine, and it's very simple. So please stick to this recipe. It's perfect. I'm going to make a chocolate version and a regular vanilla version or plain version. This is like my go-to cookies recipe. I have loads of cookie recipes, but I love this well. It's not sugary. Then next, I added in my odorless vegetable oil. Don't use the one that I've used to fry chicken to do these cookies, yo. So then I'm adding my butterscotch flavor. Yes, guys, I'm adding my butterscotch flavor. You can use vanilla flavor, but I'm using butterscotch. Next, I went in to add my softened margarine. You can use unsalted butter. Trust me, if you use butter to make this cookies recipe, hey, your clients are going to stay glued to you. So if you're still watching to this point, I am not subscribed. Next, I went to add my salt. I almost forgot that when I was adding my dry item. My baking powder rather. My baking powder, not salt, baking powder. If you are still watching to this point and not yet subscribed, please subscribe, yo. And support your girl. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And leave me a thumbs up. Next, I went into adding my eggs. And you don't need to stress yourself making these cookies. It's very, very simple. Under 20 minutes, you have prepared it, you have baked it, you have packaged it for selling. Hey, you have branded it. So I'm going to use my spatula to mix this. If you don't have spatula, my dear, wash your hands and use your hands, your fingers to mix this together. You don't need energy. No, we're not making bread or donuts. You don't need energy. It's like this kind of cookies is big man or big woman cookies making. So just mix it with your hands. This special virtual hug is for Zainab Bujbri, Rafiatu Muhammad, Ifeanyi Kalu, Dori Nwatui, Cecilia Omolade, Lucia Deborah Lushi, Apuede Peter, Faith Isoke Ekaito, Adebola Adeola, Noah Omolayo. If I didn't pronounce your name, please forgive me. So if you are new here, just subscribe and leave me hi, I'm new in the comment section. I promise to leave you a special virtual shout out in my next video. And to my OGs, thank you guys so much. You guys are the real thing. So let's dive right into the video.